Good morning, guys. How are you doing? Hope you are doing fine. Welcome to my channel. Till now, I haven't told you where I am going today. Probably you would have read in thumbnail, but I am going to Nashik for a 2-day trip. So my fuel tank is empty right now, and I'm going to fill it up at Shell, and then maybe I'll need a refilling while coming back. We are going through Chakan Rajguru Nagar highway. We are expected to reach Nashik Sula Vineyards by around 5 p.m. 1730 करून टाका round off. Fill the fuel up to the brim. So right now, guys, we are near Nashik Phata, and we're gonna turn right over here. So this is Nashik Phata. You can see the metro going parallel with it. Woo. We are crossing Chakan right now. The traffic is comparatively less today. It's good. I was expecting to be in Chakan till around 11, but like 40 minutes before the time we have crossed Chakan, so that's good. Mostly empty roads now. We have crossed Rajguru Nagar now, and we are on the highway. So we are waiting at Hotel Sanskar Nashta House for breakfast. Hey guys, we just had our breakfast and now we are moving. Shade bypass route, guys, and it's a new road. It's quite a pretty road. So guys, we are at Sai Khind right now. Sai Khindit आहोत आपण. हॉटेल अजून 70 किलोमीटर दाखवत आहे. 1.5 तास तेवढाच वेळ लागेल असा माझा अंदाज आहे. भक्ती शक्ती मंदिर होतं मित्रांनो. So I'm coming to Nashik after a long time, man. Well, 15 years. After 10th standard, I was here for Bhotla Military School camp for 12 days. And after that, I never came to stay over here. I visited Sula once during my graduation. We had a factory visit which was organized by our college. And after that, I never came to Nashik. So, yeah, after a long time, when I came to Sula that time during graduation, it was such an amazing place to be, man. And you know, that's when I thought up, yeah, I should come and stay over here. After maybe 8 years now, I'm here. 8-10 years. I'm very bad with remembering numbers, years, and names. Around approximately that time, so it's going to be fun. So yeah, this is a newly opened up place, the Heaven by Sula. It's a semi-luxury place. Let's see how they have made it. The previous two stays by Sula, the villas and the places were amazing. So guys, we have reached the heaven by Sula. This is the property from behind, and let's go to reception now. Hi, I have a check-in. So this is the view from my balcony, and this is the swimming pool of the property. This is where I'll be working for next 3-4 days. This is how the toilet is. Just had a bath over here. Good morning, guys. So now we are leaving from Sula Vineyards, and now we are going to proceed towards Malshej Ghat. We'll join Narayangaon and then go to Pune. As you can see, guys, pretty much non-existent road till property. From here, the road starts. So guys, आता आपण Sula Vineyards मधनं निघालोय. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So guys, we have left the national highway and now we are going to Narayangaon. don't know if you guys can see this in camera, but there is a whole mountain range ahead of us, and feels like we are driving into mountains or something, and we are in a canyon or something. Like, it feels amazing, man. The road is really different than what I have experienced till now in and around Pune, you know. Really different route, really good route. ठंडा क्या है का? We are close to Malshej Ghat. The time is 3:40 in afternoon. अमेझिंग वळणं आहेत मित्रांनो. सो गाइस, तुम्ही आता जे ड्रोन शॉट बघितले ते घेण्यासाठी मी थांबलो होतो बराच वेळ. We have crossed Malshej and we are around 33 kilometers from Narayanagar. Should be reaching there in another 1 hour, I guess, if we don't wait anywhere for drinks break. That's Shoneri Fort. So we have left Narayanagar and joined highway again. Now we'll wait at some dhaba for some refreshments and then proceed to Pune. Still shows 78 kilometers, not much. श्रावणी स्पेशल मिसळ हाऊस आणि इथं थांबलेलो होतो. 2 तास चांगले ब्रेक घेतलाय, जेवण करून घेतलं, भूक लागली होती खूप. आणि नाव वी आर मुव्हिंग ऑन टू पुणे. शोज 64 किलोमीटर. So guys, as you can see, my gloves are off and we are almost home. We'll reach in 5 minutes. So I hope you like the video. Do subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next video.